Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is a digital toolbox offering virtual servers, storage, databases, and advanced tools all over the internet. Instead of buying physical servers, you rent resources from AWS and only pay for what you use. Start by creating an AWS account. You'll need a credit card for verification, but the free tier lets you try popular services at no cost for 12 months. Secure your account immediately with multi-factor authentication, MFA, on your root account. Set up billing alerts in the AWS billing dashboard to avoid unexpected charges. This is essential for every new user. Get familiar with the AWS Management Console, a web interface for launching and managing resources. As you progress, explore the AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, and Software Development Kits, SDKs, for automation. Begin with the console, but remember, automation tools are your next step as you grow. With these basics, you're ready to start building in the AWS cloud. With your account ready, let's cover AWS's core services. Amazon EC2 gives you virtual servers in minutes, perfect for hosting websites or running applications. Try launching your first EC2 instance. Amazon S3 is your cloud hard drive for storing and retrieving files from images to backups. Create a bucket and upload a file to get started. For databases, Amazon RDS handles setup and maintenance for engines like MySQL and PostgreSQL. Connect your EC2 instance to RDS for a dynamic website. Security is critical. Use AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, to create users with limited permissions. Never use your root account for daily tasks. Assign permissions based on the principle of least privilege. Learn to create IAM users, groups, and roles. This is essential for safe AWS usage. Mastering these services forms the foundation for any AWS project. Practice by combining EC2, S3, RDS, and IAM in a simple web app. These building blocks will power everything you create in AWS. Next, make your applications resilient and efficient. Design for high availability by deploying across multiple availability zones. If one fails, your app stays online. Use Amazon VPC to create a secure, isolated network for your resources, with public subnets for web servers and private ones for databases. Automate infrastructure with AWS CloudFormation. Define your setup in a template, and AWS builds it for you repeatable and error-free. Monitoring is vital. Amazon CloudWatch tracks metrics and logs, alerting you to issues. AWS CloudTrail logs every API call for security and troubleshooting. Combine these tools to build secure, automated, and reliable solutions. Practice by deploying a multi-AZ web app with CloudFormation and monitoring it with CloudWatch. Automation and visibility are key to professional AWS operations. Ready to level up? Explore serverless, containers, and advanced security. AWS Lambda runs your code without servers. Just upload a function, and it scales automatically. Pair with API Gateway and DynamoDB for event-driven apps. Containers package your app and its dependencies. Use Amazon ECS for managed Docker containers or EKS for Kubernetes. Learn to deploy and scale containerized apps. This is a top skill in cloud engineering. Security goes deeper with AWS Key Management Service, KMS for encryption, AWS WAF for web protection, and GuardDuty for threat detection. Cost optimization matters. Use AWS Cost Explorer and budgets to track and control spending. Explore pricing models like reserved and spot instances for savings. Mastering these tools makes you a well-rounded AWS architect. Build a serverless API, deploy a container, and set up security monitoring as your next projects. These skills set you apart in the cloud world. AWS learning never stops, and certifications help structure your journey. Start with the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner for foundational knowledge. Move to associate-level certifications like Solutions Architect to prove your skills. Professional and specialty certifications let you dive deep into advanced topics and open doors to senior roles. Use AWS Skill Builder and hands-on labs to prepare. Combine theory with real projects. Stay curious. Follow AWS news, join user groups, and keep building. Track your progress. Secure your account, launch EC2, use S3, set up IAM, build with Lambda, write CloudFormation, deploy containers, monitor with CloudWatch, and earn a certification. This roadmap takes you from beginner to AWS Pro.